For thousands of years, humans have asked the same terrifying question: what happens after we die? Religions, philosophers, and scientists have all searched for answers. But modern neuroscience approaches death from a different angle. What happens inside the brain when life ends? The answer may be more mysterious than we expect. When the heart stops, the brain does not immediately shut down. Studies of cardiac arrest survivors have shown that some brain activity can continue for a short period after the heart stops beating. In a 2023 study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, researchers observed organized brain activity patterns in dying patients that were associated with consciousness-related processes. However, scientists still do not know whether this means people experience awareness after death or simply reflects the final activity of a dying brain. Many people who survive near-death experiences describe similar things: moving through a tunnel, seeing a bright light, feeling peace, or experiencing a rapid replay of memories. Researchers like Bruce Grayson, author of The Near-Death Experience: Problems, Prospects, Perspectives, have studied these reports scientifically. Some scientists suggest these experiences may come from changes in oxygen levels, brain chemistry, and regions involved in memory and emotion. Others argue that consciousness itself remains an unanswered mystery. The deeper question is not only what happens when the body dies, but what exactly is consciousness? Philosopher David Chalmers called this the hard problem of consciousness. Why does physical matter inside the brain create subjective experience? The feeling of being alive? Science can measure brain activity, but the mystery of why we experience reality from the inside remains one of the biggest questions in human knowledge. Science has discovered what happens to the body after death, but it has not solved what happens to consciousness. Some believe death is the end of experience. Others believe consciousness may be more complex than we currently understand. As physicist Erwin Schrödinger wrote in What is Life? The scientific picture of the world is very deficient. The mystery remains. When the brain goes silent, does the self disappear, or are we still missing something fundamental about reality?